Hey, what's up guys? We're out here today to do a little glue pull repair on a jet. That's pretty exciting. So this jet is in for refurbishing, rebuild, and it's got some dents that they need to get taken care of. Well, you cannot do any body work. You can't do any body filler on a jet because the body expands at altitude and it would pop off or could pop off. So we are here to try to glue pull close enough to where they can prime and finish this job off. We've got like three pretty good lows and buckles. I've done one other jet in the past. The aluminum is super tough, but glue pull has evolved. Got the dead center super tabs from KECO and some Cam Auto bare metal glue if we get down to bare metal, and the Anson hard pull glue. We're going to give it all we got and see if we can save this from getting cut apart and having panels replaced. Let's get after it. All right, so here's our damage. We've got a low here, up against the airframe a little bit, a low here, and can't get the light on it, but a little low there. Nothing too severe by any stretch of the imagination, but way too deep for primer. So we're gonna see if we can get this to move. So here, right, is sort of what we're looking at. What is left is a little bit of a high spot. That will be sanded and blocked and primed, but our lows are gone. We're sort of here, down this way. The guys were all super impressed with how far we were able to pull that. All right, guys, so as you can see, this came out great. Had the A&P mechanics check it out. In fact, they were all around the whole time we were doing the repair. So I want to correct some information I said at the beginning of the video. So this part of the plane is outside of the pressurized cabin part. So this part will not expand. So no fear there. In fact, he said, or talking to one of the mechanics, if it was in that pressure cabin, they likely would be replacing, right, getting engineers involved. Getting much more involved. This repair falls inside the limits of what is allowed to be repaired. And they, again, inspected when we were done, watched us the whole time and made sure we were doing a good, safe repair on the plane. It looks great, down to, I really truly believe, a primable, right, prime and block level. No filler, looks great. Super impressed with how the KECO dead center super tabs acted on this and moved. Even the guys were sort of blown away with how hard we were able to pull and get that aluminum to move. Anson hard pull glue, the shock blocker knockdown was great. The new KECO hammer was great. Actually blew out a tip on one of my knockdowns and had to grab the little bomber from Anson to get me through. And of course my cordless collision guns, K-bar and robo lifter. It was a good day. A lot of tools. Great, really pretty fast fix. That's it. If you have a jet that you got dented, search out somebody that is good at glue pull repair. Or if you're in an airplane body shop, you should check out some of these glue pull repair tools. You can check our stuff out at autoappearanceinstitute.com. See you guys.